Hello, did you know you can cook your eggs in your air fryer? Or should I say, boil your eggs? Well, let me show you how to do that. You start by placing your eggs in the air fryer, and then here comes the most important part. Set your presets to manual, that's M, and your temperature should be at 120 degrees Celsius. There you go. Now, the timer should be set to 15 minutes. Press the start button and let the air fryer do its thing. Now that it is ready, the next thing you will do is transfer the eggs into very cold water. You can also put it under cold running tap water, but for the purpose of this video, I am using ice water. Basically, water with ice cubes in it. The whole aim is to stop the egg from cooking further. As you can see, this egg is looking good already. Oh, and by the way, I am using the Phillips XXL Airfryer. So that would mean that for other air fryers, your presets or your setting might be different. You could, look further or try these settings and see how it goes. And yes, our final result. Voila! Nicely cooked egg. I like my eggs hard cooked. So just in case you like your eggs not as hard cooked as this, you might want to reduce your timer or your timing to something way less than 15 minutes and try out to see your results. Please let me know in the comment section if you find this tip useful. Remember to subscribe also. Yours truly, Princess.